My video is about removing fake human verification alerts by the site cadzone.com. Cadzone.com is a dangerous site. It attacks Google Chrome and it affects other browsers. This site tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. However, to click on allow is definitely a mistake which may hijack your browser. If you don't want to see these ads, you need to remove them by accessing the menu. Go down to settings, select privacy and security. Go down to site settings and then in permissions choose notifications. If you see any malicious sites here, make sure you get rid of them. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use a special green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software and then start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.